Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to change notes colors on Instagram and how we can do it. So let's get started. So before doing this just make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. So if you haven't updated your Instagram, the first and foremost step is all about just make sure that you just search your Instagram on App Store, and if you're having any kind of update, just update it on Instagram. After updating the Instagram, if it's not working, just go over here, tap on the Instagram, and from here this is how it looks like by default. Click at the bottom over here, and from here just click over here on this particular icon. Now you have to directly tap on the DM icons over here, and right now what you need to do is you can see this is the notes over here. So what I need to do is just go over here, tap on this one, and the first and foremost what I need to do is just go over here, press and hold. So when you press and hold, you can see you'll be getting these kind of colors here at the bottom. So now you can select the colors that you wanted to add over here for a notes. You can change it. If you wanted to pink, you can keep it on pink. If you wanted to make it a little bit brighter, you can go for this particular color, or you can change it. But that's not what it is. You have various options of colors. If you swipe it like this, just go back, press and hold once again. If you swipe it, you can see we have various options of colors like this. You can keep on swiping like this. You can see there are dozens of colors over here. If you like the blue, you can keep this on the blue. If you like green, you can go for the green. Similarly, you can just go over here, and if you wanted it yellow, you can just go for the yellow, or you can change it as per your needs, right? So you can just go over here and you can change into one. Then after you set this up, there is an option to apply. Just go for the apply, and now whatever you write over here, as you can see, it will be completely bolded with the yellow over here like this. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.